So everyone wants to catch the next opportunity and the next bull run, but nobody knows what coin to choose or which would be the best option. So in this video, we're going to be looking at a new option and basically early run in a bull rally. We are in an early position. We are just about to break out on a specific pattern we are going to be talking about in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. And before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are on the screen looking at Kaspa right now. So Kaspa is in the very early stages of a new bull rally that it could have very soon, and we're going to be showing evidence on that. So stay tuned and watch through the whole video to know how we know that this is about to be a breakout. So before we do that, let's just grab a quick overview of what Kaspa is looking right now. Currently trading at around 14.5 cents, down about 3.36% in the past day. Market cap at around $3.3 billion and volume at $106 million. And if we just look at a quick look at the graph, we can see started off at 14.99, went up all the way up to I think 15.71, and even higher. We went to 15.75 actually, and then we just trailed down a little by little. We are at around 14.5 right now. So if we look at the 7-day chart, we are doing better than we were doing in the middle of the week. As you can see, started off the week at 14.13, started heading down and went as low as 11.66, and then later started heading in the upwards direction, going all the way up to, as we talked about, 15.75 just hit today. So let's take a look at a chart specifically that tells us we are about to see another breakout in Kaspa. So I'm on tradingview.com on the Kaspa daily chart, and we are looking at the specific chart at on this right here, and we drew two lines that you can see, these two blue lines. And what do these lines mean? They mean that there was a specific trend going on in this cryptocurrency right here. As you can see, it hit this line multiple times. After it created this decreasing triangle pattern, it continued to break out to the upward side right here, as you can see right here. And now we are repeating that same thing right here. Another decreasing triangle pattern right here, as we keep touching this line once again, once again, and we see this breakout right here. So what could we predict? We could predict a massive breakout from right here, as we see another breakout. This was around 91% breakout right here. So a very huge breakout that we saw after this coin had officially broken out from this line right here and headed into the upward direction. We saw a 91% breakout, and now we can see it is repeating itself once again. We are seeing this breakout right here. So if we measure what we can see from this breakout, let's take a look at the 91% right here. So 91% would be absolutely huge. So we could go even higher, but because we are not gonna see the same number again, we could possibly predict something very huge coming up though. So let's just say we predict something right here, this breakout once again, which would be around something in the 90 percentile range. So if we see another 90% increase, that would be absolutely huge. We could head into the 27-cent range, which would be an absolutely game changer for Kaspa. It would change the entire history of Kaspa, because we saw such a huge breakout. As you can see, we saw one massive rally right here starting from here, and then we saw this line once again, this decreasing triangle line. We could draw another line right here to make a specific pattern, as we all know of, and then it's happened once again. We are officially seeing that breakout once again, and we hope to see new numbers being hit, we could possibly hit the 27-cent range, which would be around the same percentile as we saw this breakout last time. Again, this is not guaranteed, but this could be a very high possibility that we see a breakout to the positive side. It could not be as high as this one, but it has to be very, very close. Let's just take this line right here from the bottom and the top of this breakout, and then let's just move it here when it broke out. So we could see a breakout all the way up to around the 23 to 27 cent range. So absolutely huge ranges that we could possibly see in this breakout. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about what's going on with Kaspa. We talked about a specific pattern that Kaspa is seeing and how it could be in the very early stages of a breakout, and it could possibly see an amazing bull rally upcoming very, very soon. So we informed you about that, and we talked about what the price target could be after this rally. So that was basically about it. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live stream on this channel, talking about how any recent changes in the crypto market and any recent price movements. So do make sure to tune in daily on that live stream. And I also create long form content like this on this channel, talking about any new booming cryptocurrency or any new opportunity to grab in the crypto market. So do make sure to check out my content as well. So if you enjoyed this video, do make sure to click the thumbs up button. Drop a comment down below on what you guys think, what other content I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.